mistake?
Yeah. Okay, this time by you introduce you first time. When name you go on in village. When I'm walking, you start making inside the community.
Okay, name belong me Numalin Mahana. Me one field worker, me one woman field worker, Vanuatu Cultural Center. Work field worker, community. Hemi revive and back all traditional values where hemi important all people place.
Start back.
Are you waiting for
Yeah, no worry.
Name me Numalin Mahana. We come out village, Pekangian, White Sands, Tanna. Me one field worker, Vanuatu Cultural Center. Network field worker, hemi consists all man, all woman throughout Vanuatu. Work kita kopak community, long kita mo find them out. When I'm value now, when I'm important something now, and me stop up lose. One community plol kata, area plol kata, mo island longol kata. And work plol kata, scale mo look se emi important life, people, and only must work revive and back. Only must encourage them, all community, take them back. All thing all same. All thing all same language and traditional knowledge, gagai, protection. Same all tapu fashion, blokem boost, blokem solwata. So all thing ya, I come out all national workshop, all woman, all man field worker. And then topic come out place the system confirm, then we fala ko part one community me fala mo start make research. So me look service that the day pull up sickness hemi stop come attack him all man mo all woman but especially now all mama. So me look say when something we hemi very important life all mama hemi kakai. All mama everyone only so professional fashion planam kakai, fashion prepare, fashion distribute equal all custom ceremony. All kata only all talk tap kakai. Mekam say me focus more kakai from ibin kat one time welo 2003 topic pleheme mi kakai. The place mi pin mi start. Then time when mi fele ko pak following year mi haram no good from no pin make him enough research lehem. Make him say mi kampak mi focus more kakai. Mi pin work all thing here on my own and time when mi ko historian with all fala. Hemi all same research now. We find them out say yes full up people you me and full up only go finish. Full up only date stop were only very important. Nara point where why now me take him up kakailo blessa from when me been sick. Also me been sick and we find him say me admit lo hospital colo operation then me all family only no been one time. Me been one time find him out ways lo me save heal. And through lo kakai now me heal lo blessa. Through lo kakai me alright lo blessa and going back lo community to community, me stop talk about all experiences from mo through the sickness, through the hard time when we been faced them, and then me got chance to plus have go out, all friend me only take me go out, me sit down all big fella meeting, me discover and full up something where me been stop making lo backyard and me been think say me alone, but me got some family around the wall, where me feel got same thing, lo revive and back all values. More making me walk, more Alsem lo make me fly promote mo make me walk lo life lo all man place. So that's the way me come. Me focus more lo kakai. Time when me stop go through lo kakai, me find I'm full of interesting something. Kakai have me connected with him custom calendar. Kakai have me connected lo all season where you me sabe same you me go sit down from you me school lo classroom. Kakai have me contribute big one lo all custom ceremonies lo you me from where without kakai custom ceremony lo you have me empty, have me no balance, have me no heavy. So please now me focus more him and ask me stop travel go. All people only find them out, say me stop make them work here and then only come lo pack me plantain now and me pack up lo me come lo nar for la colleague lo me all man field worker with them all woman field worker and all fala lo me lo all community all fala mama all fala papa from all time all thing you must balance. All mama only been stop work lo revive and pack all traditional recipes and all papa too only come along only stop give hand lo me fala plante. Lo all talk, lo all advice, mo all kita tu only revive and pack something where only been walk about lehem throughout early life long all kita. Nara pick something where me come across me custom respect. Custom respect me contribute pick one lo how you handle them kakai, how you plan, how custom respect me walk inside lo life lo you, lo home lo you, lo community lo you. Custom respect, you first of all you must have say you who from you already got that respect within you, and you must have say respect lo you towards yourself, your husband, your wife, and all picking inside the home lo you. How custom respect there you walk, and then me flow out you go lo narvala members lo family will only live around lo you, and then he flow you go out. Example, suppose me got that respect, but suppose me not think heavy to lot that respect. Me woman nothing. In time when me go out lo field, suppose me want to sing out to more mama lo lika, me a story about kakai, all recipe, all fashion lo work, all type of lehem. No, me man nothing ya, me woman nothing ya. By all mama live right lo me from where me lose some custom respect within inside lo me.
Yet, you know, finish yet. And my first question over here, you answer him one year, right?
Oh!
Okay. You want them, you talk about pack and one talk you say you got two kind development. One way come out the solo come, another one way come out the France. And you want to elaborate more, please.
Also, earlier interview for me talam finish everything I got all to road lehem. Time when you talk about slow food, I got opposite lehem where hem fast food. When I'm now slow food, he make him lo you. When I'm now fast food, hem stop make him lo life lo you. Okay, pa you me go inside more. But hem you me sabe say slow food, hem is slow, but hem is slow block kill. And fast food, hem fast lo cooking, be fast to lo destroy life lo you. This shape you. Make him body lo you in no stomach where you been born lo olia. By make him bell lo you hang. All man only sabe pol head quick, all mama only handicap, all papa only handicap. And then I have result lo fast food. And you miss sabe como lo detail. Pepa from where you may stop talk about full of something, but you may go to slow food, fast food. You know, sabe how only process them, how many ingredients only put them together. Plus sabe make them one thin fish, or plus sabe make them one thin meat. You know sabe nothing. From you know go look, more you know sabe said fish we come go lotin, he come all same on him. How he go, how long him stop lotin, cause some way you pay after you kakai. Pay, lo side lo you me do lo slow food. You serve every process play him. how you put them look around, what time you could take them out, semonium you cook them. And time where hemi go inside, hemi make him pick for walk for him inside. Lo earlier talk lo mimi pintalem say, kakai hemi also one medicine too. So time where hemi go inside, you put in right one. I mean make him pick for walk inside. Hemi maintain potty for you, hemi clean up inside for you more. Hemi make him put for walk. Okay, you may come lo week you may be talk about two system back again where two kind yet. Hemi two kind development. Time when me stop work, you go along me discover him too. So you got two kind development. Two development yeah, one me stop put them all same say. One with salt water stop wash them it comes so. And then you me stop pick them up down low salt water. After you me karamikam you me make use hand. Number one development now crown hemi give him. From crown hemi mama blow you me. Mama blow you me, hemi give him another development where every something hemi straightforward na mo. According to structure, more according to law him. You communicate with him environment around him. You go under the mountain, you talk lo every something. I blow you, if fast lo all tree, all flower, or something, yeah, only stop giving you message. Hemi also unwritten message. He come to you where you stop look, you stop finish. You write.